All right, it's a late night right now, so we're just jamming you around. Up this moment, let's try to move on. One of our very own is Moira and Jason together with us right now. In the house, we just have to acknowledge the whole presence of our guitarist, Mr. JM, together with our lady tonight, featuring Marilyn Monroe, together with Ryan Daniels, RD in the house. So let's try to move on. Let's try to do a song what we called our very own Filipino song. It's go ahead, Ikaw at Ako. Check this one. It's going out to each and every one of you there. Here we go.
Sabi nila balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikubli ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kong sakaling bang ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ko sa walang hanggan, di ba asahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
At sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi na itatanggi ang tadhana
Nahanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal, ang dudulot sa pag-ibig
hirap at ginhawa
ay ibigin ka.
lang ay noon hanggang ngayon.
Mula ngayon hanggang dulo, ikaw at ako.
All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe our own channel so you will be informed as well as we about to upload any videos. Thank you so much. That goes out to each and every one of you there. Bye for now. Catch all our videos in the future.
Gatay ko